Good morning, friends. It gives me immense pleasure to start a new category on my YouTube channel titled Timeless Life Lessons Sutras from Bhagavad Gita. I often ask a question to my students. Tell me the name of the most complex machine which you have seen. People start talking about different machines, and some people do come to human body as a complex machine. Then the next question to me is, have you heard of any manual about the most complex machine which you think is the human body? I got some chocolates from Switzerland, and when I opened the packet, there was a small manual that was suggesting how to eat the chocolate. And what it said was, open the chocolate, put in your mouth, start chewing slowly and enjoy it. So a small item like chocolate has a manual. Once I brought a Walkman for one of my acquaintance. The child was so excited after seeing the Walkman. Immediately he plugged the Walkman into the power supply, and without even waiting and seeing that what type of power supply this Walkman was looking for. And since this was a US Walkman, the voltage requirement was 110 volt and it bursted. So what I'm trying to tell you is, simple things like Walkman those days, simple things like chocolates, they do have manuals. The most complex machine like human body, we have never read any manual how to manage the human life. And therefore, no wonder we are facing a lot of stress, strain and depression today. A school-going child many times is seen to have depression. That is very, very alarming. Bhagavad Gita was spoken by Lord to Arjuna during the battle of Mahabharata in Kurukshetra. We all go through some battle at either at personal level, family level, social level or professional level. And many times we take decisions in line with what we think fit. And as I mentioned earlier, this is without referring to any manual of managing life. So I have been thinking that if you apply some of the principles which have been stated to Arjuna by Lord, it would be really very, very powerful, and it will help us get out of the troubles in life easily. And as we know, we all have problems in our life. We all are going through some sort of battles on a daily basis. So these principles, I believe, will be very, very useful. That is the reason a thought came to my mind to create some sort of small video series on the subject and put in front of the audiences, and so that we can look at it, we can learn and debate and then benefit out of it. Though I had read Gita many times, I don't remember how many times, but I never got clarity in terms of so many concepts which have been taught. I like to thank my gurus, particularly Swami Advaitanand. Although I have not met him, neither I have been to his class, but I have gone through his recording of Bhagavad Gita for about 18 days, and that helped me refine some of the thoughts about Bhagavad Gita. I don't think I am expert in that area. I am just a learner, maybe at the level of KG or at most maybe third or fourth standard when it comes to Bhagavad Gita. But I thought the best way of learning would be by sharing what I know, and that's the reason I thought let me start this. So once again, I'd like to dedicate this to my gurus, especially Swami Advaitananda, the God who has given me at least the thought to start a series on Bhagavad Gita, and I am praying to my gurus and the God, without the grace of God, this thought could have never come to my mind. And I am very hopeful with the grace of Almighty, I would take this forward and I would be able to record short videos on different aspects on all the 18 chapters of Bhagavad Gita, which touches our life on a regular basis. I have to urge you, please do go through it. Don't take this one as a lesson from an expert. Take as a sort of experience sharing for a learner that to a learner in a very early part of learning. And please do communicate so that with your concepts and deliberations we are able to learn together. And I strongly believe that these principles are timeless and we can make it a great journey together. These principles can transform our life and make us very successful individual, professional in our own respective areas. Thank you and look forward to taking this forward with you and enjoying it together. Thank you.